If you need to duplicate a survey in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to copy a survey in SurveyMonkey so you can reuse the same structure, questions, and a design without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is super helpful if you're creating a new version of an existing survey, testing a revised questionnaire, or simply want to save time. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, make sure you're signed into the correct account. This matters because the survey you want to duplicate needs to be in the account that has access to it. After you're signed in, look through your list of surveys and select the one you want to copy. If you have a lot of surveys, you can scroll, search, or sort until you find the right one. Once you've found the survey, look to the right side of that survey row and click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu gives you extra actions for that specific survey, including editing, sharing, moving, and duplicating it. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Make a copy. Click that option to start the duplication process. SurveyMonkey will then create a duplicate version of your survey. Depending on the survey length and your account setup, it may take a moment to generate the copy. After that, the new survey will appear as its own separate survey that you can edit independently. That means any changes you make to the copied survey will not affect the original, which is perfect if you want to reuse the same base survey and customize it for a new audience or project. From here, you can open the copied survey and update the title, wording, answer choices, branding, or anything else you need. This is especially useful for recurring surveys, internal feedback forms, event questionnaires, and customer research templates. Instead of starting from zero each time, you can just duplicate your best survey and make the adjustments in a few clicks. If you're managing a lot of surveys, copying them this way can save you a huge amount of time and help keep your workflow organized. It also reduces the chance of missing an important question or formatting detail because you're starting from a proven version. And that's it. You now know how to copy a survey in SurveyMonkey in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.